All right, everyone, welcome back. You have put in some serious work, you've climbed that mountain of theory, and now you are right near the summit of the reasoning course. This is it. This is the final ascent, and honestly, it's the most exciting part of our whole journey. So let's take a look at the path to the top. Just let that sink in for a minute. The foundational coursework, it's done. You've built this incredibly powerful engine. Now, we're shifting gears from just learning theory to actually applying it. It's time to get behind the wheel and see what this thing can really do.
So, I know the big question on your mind is, what's next? Well, we are officially moving from learning the concepts to applying them in the real world. These next few weeks are all designed to bring everything you've learned together into something tangible, something really impressive.
So let's break this next chapter down. The whole focus is shifting from you just absorbing information to you proving your mastery. Here's what the schedule looks like.
But hey, before we look forward, let's just take a moment and acknowledge the incredible momentum you've already built. You've already crushed the no-code exam and you nailed that practical exercise. Believe me, the toughest part of the climb is already behind you.
So, what's immediately next? March. This month is all about interactive review, where you're going to get direct, hands-on feedback to really sharpen your skills.
Get your calendars out because you're going to want to circle March 21st. We're holding a live, interactive code review. Now think of this less as a test and more like a collaborative workshop. It's your chance to get real feedback, see how your peers are solving problems, and really hone your skills with the entire cohort. So come ready to share and definitely come ready to learn. And then comes April. This is it, the final push to the summit. We're calling this month Build and Certify, and for a good reason. That's exactly what you will be doing, building a really sophisticated model and earning your certification. We've laid out April into 3 really clear steps. First, we're going to deepen your understanding with some new, more advanced material. Second, you're going to build right alongside us in live sessions, focusing on Open R1. And finally, you'll prove your expertise with the final code exam to get that certification.
Let's add a little more detail to that. The new material, this isn't just more theory. It's going to push you way beyond the fundamentals into advanced model architecture. The live sessions, you're not just watching a lecture, you'll actually be contributing to Open R1, which is a powerful open source reasoning model. And all of this leads to that final exam, where you'll earn a certification that truly powerfully validates your expertise.
Okay, with all these deadlines and live events coming up, let's talk about the best way to stay connected. You really don't want to miss a thing during this final stretch. You've got 2 key channels you need to be in. For all the official announcements, the new materials, all that stuff, make sure you're following the reasoning course. Then, for collaborating with your peers, asking questions, and getting that community support, you have to jump into the Discord. Seriously, using both is the absolute best way to stay in the loop. So that's it. That is the roadmap to the summit. You have the knowledge, you've got the skills, and you've already done the heavy climbing. All that's left is this final, incredibly rewarding push. Your final challenge is waiting. So are you ready?